So the machine has greatly improved the production process. In regards to the finished cut, we need a lot less grinding, only to touch up to be prepared for the next stages. It's also improved how to fit up the parts later on in the production process, as well as we reduce both amount of smoke from the machine as well as noise, so we get a much better working environment. And specifically the dome cutting has greatly reduced the manual labor we need to do on our products later on. My name is Parat Halvorsen. I'm the production manager here at Parat Halvorsen in Flekkefjord, Norway. We are Norway's largest producer and distributor of steam and heating solutions. We deliver products all over the world, anywhere from New Zealand, Brazil, to across Europe and Norway itself. We manufacture all our products in-house. We engineer them, design them, and do all the service and after-sales components. So the process is we get flat plate sheets, we cut them in the plasma cutter from ESAB. Then the different components go on to rolling in the rolling machine. They go on to welding, the pressure bearing welds, and then goes over to manual welding. We also do some painting, insulation, and then we do the final mechanical and electrical assembly of the boiler before it's shipped to the client. We've been working with ESAB within cutting systems since 1997 when we purchased the first machine. We started to look at the new solutions back in 2015 approximately. We needed to have some improvements regarding technology. We produce a lot of products with bevel, with high demands within welding, so we needed a system to handle that, as well as a new type of boiler we were going to produce, which had some different components that needed some special optimizations. So we started looking into solutions that could handle those specific operations in a good way. One key factor was the long relationship we've had with ESAB, with the cutting systems. We know their systems. It was more easily for the operator to adapt to the new system. So the machine has greatly increased our capacity with the product we deliver. The machine still has a lot of capacity, so it can still support further growth for the company. The capacity of the machine in terms of speed and accuracy is greatly improved as well. And especially for the dome cutting part, it was a job that typically took us anywhere from 30 to 40 or even 45 hours of manual labor. The machine can now reduce that time down to 90%. So great improvement, as well as the quality as well. So the machine itself runs on very low costs. We do preventive maintenance now and again. Other than that, we have one visit a year from the service crew. But regarding return on investments, the dome cutting itself has paid up within a couple of years, paid up for the investment of the machine itself. So on a daily basis, the machine is very easy to use for the operator. With the good training, they have the ability to start up the machine, do their daily jobs quite easily. They have the easy import of step files directly to the machine where they take all the cutting files from. So for us, it's been very easy to use third-party programming together with ESAB machines. We find that ESAB is very open-minded when it comes to finding good solutions that works together with their systems to give a good solution then for the end client. So the support from ESAB has been great. We have communication with the team in Sweden in regarding to the special cutting head we use, the 5D head. We also have communication with ESAB Carbon in Germany, which supports the software. We can call them 24/7. They should be here within 48 hours, so it's a great support from the ESAB and their service partners. I'd highly recommend the ESAB for their cutting solutions for anybody working in the steel industry in the need of cutting solutions with the high reliability, quality, good support, and bulletproof solutions.